Did you know that you spend about a third of your life asleep? That's right, a third. But why? What does your body do while you're lost in dreamland? It's not just about resting your tired eyes. Sleep is a complex, crucial process that rejuvenates every part of your being. It's a remarkable phenomenon that we often take for granted. Imagine a good chunk of our lives dedicated to this silent, mysterious act. Stay tuned to discover the incredible science behind what happens when you close your eyes each night. Your body operates on a 24-hour cycle known as the circadian rhythm. This internal clock tells you when to sleep and when to wake up. Intriguing, isn't it? Let's dive deeper into this concept. The circadian rhythm is a bit like an orchestra conductor, guiding your body's functions through the symphony of a day. When darkness falls, your brain sends a signal to release melatonin, the hormone that makes you feel drowsy. This is your body's way of saying, it's time for some shut-eye. As morning approaches, light exposure triggers a decrease in melatonin production, helping you wake up. It's a beautifully orchestrated cycle, a dance between darkness and light, sleep and wakefulness. But remember, it's not just about the ticking of this internal clock. It's also about the quality of your sleep, the environment you're in, and even the food you eat. So your body knows when it's time to sleep and when it's time to wake up. But what happens during those hours of rest? While you're asleep, your body is far from inactive. In fact, it's using this time to repair, restore, and strengthen itself. When we sleep, we cycle through different stages, each with its unique role in maintaining our health and well-being. The initial stages of sleep, known as light sleep, allow us to drift away from the conscious world. This is where our heart rate slows and our body temperature drops. But the real magic happens during deep sleep, also known as slow-wave sleep. This stage is a powerhouse of restoration, where our body gets busy repairing tissues, building bone and muscle, and bolstering our immune system. It's a phase of profound physical rejuvenation, where we replenish energy and restore balance to our bodily functions. Then we have the fascinating world of REM sleep, or rapid eye movement sleep. This is where our brain gets to flex its muscles. It's during REM sleep that we consolidate memories, process emotions, and enhance our learning abilities. Think of it as a sort of nightly brain training, a cerebral workout that keeps our cognitive abilities sharp and agile. So the next time you hit the snooze button, remember that you're giving your body the time it needs to rejuvenate and prepare for another day. Now, can you guess how much sleep an average adult needs for optimal health? Leave your answer in the comments below.